नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे. Hare Krishna. Now we'll discuss what is the duty of the government or the king. It is a wonderful topic because people keep discussing about Ram Rajya. Oh, Ram Rajya was so great. When will Ram Rajya be again established? Unfortunately, in this Kali Yuga, there are no real kings. And of course, the process adopted is democracy. And sometimes that can be translated as demon crazy. There are a lot of demons who are going crazy after power. Unfortunately, we are in the midst of Kali Yuga, and the kings or the rulers don't have the right understanding of how to rule this, how to rule the public in general. Of course, the duty of a king or the duty of a ruler or the duty of the government is to provide for people in general good clothing, good food, and guide them slowly towards progress. This is the duty of a government, a good government. But what is happening currently, and which is also known to the general mass, is that a lot of exploitation is going on. In the name of ruling over the citizens, there is a lot of exploitation going on. Simply we can see that so many slaughterhouses have opened up. Earlier, the Vedic knowledge tells us that the king's real wealth was the cow. How much land the king had, how many cows, and the whole Vedic society was centered around the protection of the cows and the brahmanas. But now we can see there are practically no cows, practically no brahmanas in the Kali Yuga. Why? Because of this exploitative tendency. We can see millions of cows have been slaughtered and they are sent for export to meat-eating countries, and leather is made from their hide, from their skin. It's a very, very sad situation. What's happening due to this exploitation? The general people, the general mass are not happy, and they are aiming their life towards sense gratification. They have no interest in God consciousness. In the name of secularism, so many things are being allowed. So many charlatans and cheats, false prophets are claiming that we are God, worship us. There is no need to worship God. Why is the government encouraging all this? Because the people who are there, who are ruling, are having a poor fund of knowledge. That is real poverty. The real poverty is poverty of knowledge. People are not understanding what does protection of cows, what does it mean to take advice from the brahmanas, what does it mean to take advice from the devotees. Because if one gets power, what happens with power? Power corrupts. If one is not pure in heart, power will corrupt, and this is exactly what is happening in this present Kali Yuga. Great nations, great rulers, but no performance. The people are not happy. The crime rate is only going above and above. It's rising. Why so? If the government is running everything so perfectly, why are people not satisfied? Why is the criminal activity going up? Because there is no satisfaction in the hearts of the people. No one is guiding them to towards spiritual progress. So yes, Ram Rajya is difficult, but if one can make a change personally, what is that change one takes up to spiritual life? Every individual, then surely Ram Rajya can be established. Hare Krishna.